Guys, I only have Lily and her hubby here. The other cockatoos haven't come. The tree and the corellas. Now that they removed the tree, they're no longer here, guys. I think I can hear the corellas. They're flying around, wondering what the hell has happened. Look at this one. She's here. And the king parrot, over the last few months, he was actually sleeping in that tree. He had moved residence, guys, to that tree. And it's very sad, guys. That tree must have had nests. What a horrible day for us here in Daisy Hill. Horrible day. It's all about making money.